Fix YouTube Caption Unavailable problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of YouTube application on a device. As you can see, there's an update available for the YouTube application on my device. So I'm going to tap on update and it will start updating the application on my device. Now after it gets updated, all you have to do is make a long press on YouTube application and then tap on app info. Now as you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then clear cache, and if it's possible you can clear all data as well. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all those required options such as files and media, contacts, location, your phone, and so on, so that there are no hindrances while using the application. After doing that, you can just go to your YouTube application and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.